Where the heck am I? Oh my goodness. Where am I? I'm on a train. Why am I on a train? Why am I on a train? Newspaper, skip button. What is this? Why am I on a train? Why? That. What are you eating? Who are you?
I don't know at the time.
Anyway. Bro, what is this train? It'll stop? What's the conductor?
No, it does not stop.
Is there anyone here? There's chips.
No matter how many times it'll not stop.
Ooh, coffee. Coffee. Aw, can't pick up coffee. Coffee makes me sad. What's even in the rest of this train? What is that? No, nothing in here. What is this place, bro? Shower. Anyway. Kind of boring. I'm gonna go back to sleep. Bada boom, bada bam. Bada boom, bada bam. Yes, sir, ma'am. I'm tired. It's like night. I'm gonna go to bed back on. No, this ain't my room. Back on my. Ooh, vending machine.
Doesn't work. Like the other one. So is this gonna like lead up to our next video where we're just trapped on the train?
Whatever, but I'm going back to sleep.